Hey, good morning, guys. I slept alright. Woke up a bunch though. Had to talk to those neighbors down there last night because they were making noise when it was well past hiker's midnight. And thankfully they quieted down after that. As you can see, we're almost ready to go here. Beth is down filtering water for us, and yep, I'm definitely feeling tired. Like I definitely want to rest, but we got to head further down the trail. And yeah, uneventful night, very, very quiet. Yep, I'm sure my muscles are going to feel it today. But surprisingly, I'm not sore, which I thought for sure I would be. But anyway, I think that's about it. Going to Texas Lake today, about 5.7 miles. Morning. Did you guys come over Texas Pass?
We came over Washoe Pass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see if there's a discernible trail on both sides of that since it's not maintained.
There's a trail there. Yeah, it gets pretty steep and rocky, you know, like...
Yeah, it looks really steep.
Going this direction is easier though, so...
Yeah.
So it's visible, and there's always people there too, so it's like hard to miss because of that. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
Yeah, enjoy.
Happy trails. Okay. We are coming up to a sign here. Pyramid Lake, Marm's Lake, and Shadow Lake, which we need to head towards Shadow Lake, which is that way. Coming up to a river. Wow, that gets a little deep. Probably above my waist. I see fish in there too. Nice. So we are coming up to Shadow Lake here. We're going to take a bit of an extended break here and then continue on. Nice. Okay, Shadow Lake. Honestly, it's the prettiest lake we've come across in this trip. Okay, we are going, allegedly, onward past Shadow Lake, but we keep running into all these crisscrossing trails, so it's hard to know which one's the real one, but we will figure it out. It's a nice little lake. It's a popular one. Oh, this must be the where it rejoins the other trail. There are like two different ways, so it should merge into one now. So we're both tired. Again, stamina is not what it normally would be, but I had a knee injury earlier this year, and it took like 3 or 4 months before my knee would let me do more stuff. So that is that. Okay, I think we're coming out to Billy's Lake. Yep, sure enough, there it is. Billy's Lake. A perfect little beach area. Wow. That's really nice. A waterfall over there. So I think we are less than a mile from Texas Lake, hopefully. I'll do a recalculation once we get to Barren Lake, and we shall see. Up Barren Lake. Oh, boulder field. Where exactly does this go?